In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text without losing formatting in Microsoft Word. When you're working on a document, keeping the exact look of your text can be really important. Maybe you've spent time setting up headings, colors, bullet styles, or spacing, and you don't want all that work to disappear when you copy and paste. The good news is, Word gives you several built-in ways to control how your text behaves when you move it around, so you can keep the formatting you like and avoid unwanted changes. Let's start with the basic idea. Anytime you copy text in Word, you're not just copying the words themselves, you're also copying the formatting attached to them. That includes things like font, size, color, bold or italic, and even paragraph spacing and alignment. The key is choosing the right paste option so Word knows whether to keep that formatting or adapt it to the document you're pasting into. First, highlight the text you want to copy, just as you normally would. Then copy it using either the right-click menu and choosing Copy, or the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C. Now move your cursor to where you want the text to go and get ready to paste. When you right-click and choose Paste, or use Ctrl+V, look closely at the little paste options icon that appears right after you paste. It usually looks like a small clipboard. Click that icon and you'll see different choices. The one you want for preserving the look of the original text is Keep Source Formatting. Select that and Word will keep the fonts, colors, and layout exactly as they were in the original location or document. If you often need to preserve formatting, you can make this even easier by changing Word's default paste settings. Go to the File tab, then Options, and then find the section called Advanced. Scroll down until you see the Cut, Copy, and Paste section. Here you can set how Word should behave when pasting within the same document, between documents, or from other programs. Choose Keep Source Formatting for the scenarios where you always want to keep the original style, and click OK to save your settings. Finally, remember that styles in Word can sometimes override pasted formatting, especially if you're using predefined heading or body styles. If your text still changes after pasting, check which style is applied and adjust it if needed by using the Paste Options menu and, if necessary, tweaking your default settings. You'll be able to copy text in Word without losing the formatting you worked so hard to create.